Your first time trying the pedal? Alright, let's see what you can do down the sidewalk. Oh, get moving first. Keep pedaling. Whoa, oh, almost. Let's try it again.
I can do it.
Yeah, you were pretty close. You gotta keep pedaling good pedals before you, otherwise you'll fall. You gotta get some speed. And start pedaling. And watch where you're going.
I can do it.
Yeah, get back down on the sidewalk. Start pedaling. And watch where you're going. There he goes. Remember, backwards stops. Oh, you want to remember, use your brakes.
High five, bud! Wow!
So, hey, Josh, look at me. Say I did it.
I did it.
Start pedaling. And there he goes. Watch where you're going. Practice pushing the brakes softly. There you go. Come on back. Get your wheels straight now. Oh, you're pushing backwards, Josh. You're pushing on the brake. Got to push it forward. There you go. Put your other foot up this time. Put your other foot. There you go. Now push and push down. There he goes. Watch where you're going. Keep pedaling. Oh, you have to keep going. Yep, keep going. Pedal, pedal. Right through the grass. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Alright, well, good job. I'm going to stop recording.